intensifying Woolsey Fire has quadrupled in size in just hours. Firefighters are doing their best to battle the raging flames as they jump from one house to the next.
Dangerous wildfires out west. Record heat and dry conditions are fueling the flames.
It is hot right now, 110 degrees. That is fueling these flames on the hillside behind me. And right now, fire crews are struggling to jump on these flames.
Just left our teams in Florida dealing with the hurricane recovery efforts. Currently in Los Angeles, headed down to Malibu to deal with the wildfire situation. We'll be setting up incident command, and then once the fire is put out, we'll be assessing damages throughout the region.
Hundreds of people are looking at the task of rebuilding their homes and their lives after the Woolsey Fire, and that can be overwhelming at this difficult time.
Just arrived down here in Malibu, California from Panama City. Access was difficult because there's a lot of road blockades. We had to work with the Sheriff's Department to get a special pass as a first responder to get a convoy to take us out to our clients' properties to do a complete assessment. So we have teams throughout the entire Malibu, California area dealing with the Woolsey Fire to see which properties have been totally burned to the ground, which ones are partial burns, and which ones are dealing with just the smoke and ash contamination.
We offer private security services to include armed and unarmed guards to protect not only their contents, their memories, what they have inside of their home, but also the location of their home.
We're working here with our private client group. A lot of them are well-known, high-end music and movie producers. We're here to help them restore everything that's been damaged in the Malibu fire. We start by the outside, going around, checking everything in the perimeter to make sure that everything is counted for that's been damaged. And after we do that, then if we find anything that's damaged that can't be replaced, then we get an appraisal for that as well to make sure that it gets the right price.
We prepared the forensic property damage scope and cost of repair report.
The debris that was blowing around caught fire. The embers that we showed you from up top dropped down into the drain, caught the piping on fire.
Don't settle for what your insurance company gives you.